Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down all gear and confirming the amplifier matches your speaker and source specs. First, connect the power cable to the amp but do not plug into wall yet. This prevents accidental shorts. Next, attach the source cable, RCA, optical, or USB, so the signal path is established. Once done, run speaker cables to the correct terminals, observing polarity, red to red, black to black. Make sure connections are snug to avoid noise, and ensure reliable contact. You now configure the amp controls to match your signal and speakers. Set input sensitivity, or gain to a conservative 25–40% to prevent clipping. You can fine-tune later. If you hear hum, attach the ground lug to chassis earth or flip the ground lift switch to isolate ground loops. Do this deliberately to avoid safety issues. Confirm speaker impedance matches the amplifier's rated ohms, and, if using multiple channels, enable bridging only when load and wiring are correct. Because mismatch, you finish by powering the amp last and starting with volume at 0, then power the source and slowly increase level while listening for clipping or imbalance. Make sure left and right channels are present and tonal balance is even. Monitor the amplifier temperature for the first 15 minutes. If you encounter distortion, hum, or no output, stop and troubleshoot. Recheck speaker polarity and tightness, swap cables to isolate a bad lead, and use a multimeter to confirm continuity and proper voltages. This single check often finds the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.